Hello, I'm Andrew.
And I'm Anfisa.
Welcome to the writing section of the IELTS Preparation Course from Great Education Center.
We've helped many students prepare for the IELTS test, and now, together with other teachers, we've designed this course for you. As you probably know, there are two modules in the IELTS test, academic and general, in which writing tasks are different. Our course deals with academic writing only.
In this course, you're going to learn writing strategies and practice using them while completing IELTS writing tasks. And now we will tell you about it in detail. It will take you 1 hour, and there are 2 tasks for you to do.
In the first task, you get a visual, which can be a chart, a process, or a map. Your task here is to analyze the information in the visual and describe it. For this, you have to write a minimum of 150 words.
In the second task, you will write an essay. Here you get a topic and a question to answer. You have to give and explain your ideas about the topic and answer the question. The minimum number of words is 250.
As you can see, you have to write more words for the essay. This task also requires more time. So generally, it's recommended that you spend around 40 minutes on writing your essay and 20 minutes on describing the visual.